In this episode of Teslacam Stories.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
This video from Ryan shows a pretty unusual Sentry Mode event. Ryan says that he usually finds it funny to watch the Sentry Mode events to see what shenanigans it captures when parked on the streets of LA, but this one takes the cake. Chris was driving his Model X northbound on I-95 near Boca Raton, Florida, when he witnessed this bizarre accident. It almost looked like the driver was about to fall out of the window. Fortunately, the driver never hit anything else and was able to move safely to the side of the road. The wheel went flying after the pickup truck hit it, and we can see it bounce off the hood of the car in the inside lane. Chris Luna was driving his Model 3 home from work in Orange County, California, when the silver BMW next to him suddenly crashed. Everyone involved was okay, other than the driver of the BMW, who ended up busting his fist open by punching his own car out of anger. Chris stayed at the scene and made sure everyone was okay, and he gave the video evidence from the Teslacam to the responding officers. Daniel was driving his Model 3 on a very dark and rainy night in downtown Toronto when his Teslacam captured this. Daniel was about to exit his Tesla to assist this man, but what happened next will surprise you. This video from Michael in Germany shows that not everyone is impressed by American steel. Jim left his Model 3 parked, and when he got back and reviewed his SentryCam events, he almost couldn't believe what he saw. Sentry Mode captured the license plate number, and Jim did file a police report, but the police rejected it, saying that the incident wasn't criminal. He ended up going into a body shop, and they buffed out most of it. There is a deeper scratch that Jim is trying to get his insurance to cover, since fixing it will require replacing the door panel. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry Mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. This next video was sent in by Darren, who was driving his Model 3 in Georgia. He took the highway off-ramp, which was a bit backed up, and the car behind him did this. Nobody wants to see a Chevy badge this close to their Teslacam. Corey was driving around Crater Lake in his Model S on a family vacation when an RV decided to pass two bicyclists around this blind corner. Corey says they were very lucky there was a turnout at that point because this road is known to have plenty of areas that are sheer drop-offs. What this person did was very dangerous, and Corey wanted to submit this video to the authorities, but he was unable to make out the license plate number. Craig was driving his Model X when he witnessed this truck, the truck driver, and a runaway pig. This Model 3 owner was driving in central Massachusetts when this happened. That deer sure has great traction control. Lee was driving his Model 3 when he witnessed a meteor burning up in the atmosphere. The meteor lit up the sky beautifully as Lee drove down the freeway, and presumably it granted Lee a wish. We'll just have to guess what Lee wished for. Andrew was driving home after work in his Model 3 in Birmingham, Alabama, when he witnessed this car using the center lane to pass. That was a really close call. This next video was sent in by Jason, who drove his Model 3 in Long Island, New York. The SUV driver did not secure their ladder properly, but it sure seems like he balanced it well enough. Remember to secure your load. This next video was sent in by Vincent in British Columbia, Canada. Vincent left his Model 3 parked, and when he got back, he found this Sentry Mode video. The Toyota owner had parked, but then decided to repark, and in the process, he did this to Vincent's Tesla. Sentry Mode clearly captured the license plate number in the video. Vincent noticed that the Toyota was parked just 2 spots away. He sent the video to his insurance company, and the Toyota owner paid for the repair. This video shows some guy flipping the bird twice for no reason, who's then struck by instant karma just moments later. We can see him speeding and driving recklessly up ahead, so what happens next might not come as a surprise. On July 4th, after the fireworks show on Okoboji Lake in Iowa, Mark's Tesla recorded multiple Sentry Mode events, but this one was special. Mark says that it was as if Sentry Mode caused the crowd to turn into zombies. Luckily, there was no damage to the Tesla's frunk. Mark didn't even know it happened until several weeks later when he was reviewing Sentry Mode videos. It happened at a resort with a lot of foot traffic that caused dozens of Sentry Mode events. G'day, mate! This video was sent in from Bernie in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. This driver is working really hard to turn that pickup around, so what happens next is quite heartbreaking. Wham, bam, into the wall. Our last video was sent in by Tom, who was driving his Model 3 in Costa Mesa, California, when he witnessed this camo car. Tom says that he isn't sure what happened to cause the camouflaged Toyota 86 to lose control and crash into the highway barrier. See you next Sunday. Please like, share, and subscribe. New episodes released every Sunday.